Hi everyone, my name is Matt, and this is Project Kelvin. Project Kelvin is a project that is being incubated in Monastic Academy, a Buddhist monastery that has the goal of creating enlightened leaders that can create enlightened systems that can create an enlightened world. One of the big problems in the world is that our global financial system destroys life on Earth by ignoring and obscuring our externalities. It actually hides from companies the most important impacts of how they're taking actions, and it leads to all problems that we can't see. So our solution is a new token economic model that rewards people for spending tokens in a way that is good for the world, and creates a new DAO model that considers externalities, empowers conversations, and analyzes broader impact. Here is our Project Kelvin app. And you see it's a Venmo-like interface. I've already signed in with my Near ID, and it's showing all the transactions with our token. You can see there's different DAOs available. People are taking different actions, spending their money in different ways. And as people vote for my transactions, I can actually earn votes that I can vote for other people and show them whether I think their transactions are good for the world. So that's the subjective aspect. And then if I want to get a little bit more objective, I can analyze this. So you can see this is a flight from NYC to PDX, or really from JFK to PDX. And I can click the Analyze Impact button, and it takes me to this impact analysis screen. Now, if I want to chat with people about this impact, I can go to the impact discussion, and I can discuss worried about the carbon impact. And this is using convo.space to actually post that information. Now, once I've discussed that impact, I can begin to analyze it using our analysis frameworks. And the one we have working right now is our carbon impact analysis. You can see I can click on the carbon impact analysis, click on the fact that I'm analyzing airline flight, and then I can say where it's from. It's from JFK, and it's to PDX, and it's round trip flight. And then there's actually pinging out to an API and going into our impact analysis framework and showing how this impacts things like temperature of the Earth or human lives over the time. And you can see that our impact can actually go out 1 year, 10 years, or 100 years. And that actually flows right back into the votes here. So people will continue to be rewarded for subjective impacts with these upvotes. And this will also go up as people do these impact analysis and we see how good or bad the impact of these actions are. So that is Project Kelvin, and that same system of combining subjective and objective analysis in the future we hope to apply to many, many voting and DAO frameworks. So what you just saw has 3 bits of secret sauce. The first one is our value rank algorithm. It uses the same algorithm that Google PageRank uses. So it's actually symbol resistant and a decentralized way to get a group's values into an upvote downvote system. Secondly is our skill score algorithm. That's what you saw in the impact analysis. All of those impact analyses get aggregated together using the latest research from the Good Judgment Project to get predictions that are accurate. And finally, you saw a closed loop system where the same tokens that you're being rewarded in are actually also being rated. So you're actually incentivized to continue to spend those tokens in good ways over time. There's a number of use cases for this. I talked to Sharif about Near University and how they need the best content that they know both matches their values and will actually lead to people adopting Near in the long term. We can use our 2 metrics combined to actually analyze that. We have a friend who makes incredible edible spoons to stop all the waste from plastic spoons. And he could actually accept our token. And as people spend our token with him, not only do they get some tokens back, but he actually gets some tokens back as well. So people are incentivized to spend their money at companies that are doing good. Finally, I talked to Ilya about the Near Growth DAO, a new DAO that actually incentivizes and funds the project that we know will make Near grow. All of this can be done with our metrics. We have done so much during this hackathon. We have token contracts on Near. We also have contracts on Ethereum where you can pay tokens and they onboard you directly to our Near contracts. We have an indexer that pulls Near transactions into our Venmo-like interface. Our algorithms are both working. Value rank and skill score, they're both in there in the upvotes and in the impact analysis. On the front end, our React.js allows sign-in via Near and discussion of each transaction via the combo.space. We have the carbon emissions API connected right to our impact flow framework, and it's extensible where we can add more impact analyses over time. We are applying to 2 partner challenges. The first one is the combo.space. And you saw in our demo how each transaction is its own thread on Convo, and anybody can log into Near and begin discussing what is the impact of this transaction. We also want to apply to chain vote because we believe that our voting algorithms could really change the way the web works and as a result, the way the world works. Just like Google PageRank has over time shaped the web to be better for Google. It's over time created SEO optimization where people have tried to create better and better content over time so it'll be ranked in Google. What we want to do is cause people to create wisdom optimization by combining our eigenkarma metric, our skill score metric, and our closed loop economics. We believe that people want to choose things that maximize their values, outcomes, and incentives in such a way that the only choice is to optimize the wisdom of their action. And that's what we want to do long term. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact any of us if you want to know more about our project. And have a great day.